So I think the key points of my speaking session today, in relation to how to enter into new spaces, it would probably be, I think you need to have a mentality of surprising the consumer with a product or service in the beginning, as opposed to thinking about profit. It's really about building something that has relevance or meaning for the consumer and then optimizing it over time so it can get to a profitable situation. It's not thinking about profit first, it's about thinking about the solution first. The next thing would be taking risks. Make sure that they're calculated, but you need to take risks if you're going to do something new. And the third thing would be really learn by doing. You know, everything prior to execution is just theory. It's only when you set out and start doing something is when you really see whether your hypothesis or what you had in mind pans out in reality or not. So there should be an action towards bias, a bias towards action. I think food in the future is, it's definitely going to be plant-based, it's going to be customized, it's going to be local, and it's going to come from an entirely different way compared to how we obtain or produce food today. I think we can expect food that's not necessarily grown in the fields anymore, but that's grown in vertical farms or that's obtained through fermentation tanks, just like beer is obtained today. So I think that's something that's going to be a big game changer for us all. And it's just something that's going to have to take place because the burden of food production is so high today, because more and more there's going to be more of us and there's less and less resources to be able to produce that food. So we're going to have to get accustomed to new types of food or new ways of consuming food. So what I love about being here in person is the physical contact. I've attended virtually, I think maybe 2 or 3 conferences similar to this, but the experience is just nowhere near the same. To be able to greet people, look them in the eye and have a conversation, it's just so human, right? And to do it behind a screen, it's just not the same. So I'm very happy here.